This week we really couldn't wait to get our hands on these brand new 1MORE ComfoBuds mini ANC wireless earphones. Now these are priced at £70 in the UK just now, that's around 87 in US dollars. They do come in a white version and a black version, which is the ones we've got here today. Inside the box we do get the usual very good presentation and packaging. Yeah, we do like those drawings to the left hand side, wonderful. Now ahead of us we've got the very compact 440mAh charge case. It is super small and it fits nice and snug within your pocket without it sticking out too much and looking too obvious. So yeah, it's a fantastic charge case with that 1MORE logo to the front and a Type-C charge port to the bottom. So yes, we have fast charging, but as well as that, this charge case is compatible with wireless charging too. Expecting around 90 minutes to charge the case in wired mode and a little longer charging it wirelessly. Now opening up that magnetic seal lid, oh very satisfying, lovely. It is indeed an embedded lid, and as you can see we've got those very tiny 1MORE ComfoBuds mini earphones. Look at the size of them. Now when you do take them out of the charge case they will automatically go into pairing mode, which is very swift using that Bluetooth 5.2 technology. Placing them back in, they are magnetically pulled into those deep embedded charge sockets. But before we do take a closer look at the earphones themselves, let me tell you about the accessories. So we do get our very detailed earphone instruction guide with a QR code inside, so you can go ahead and download that 1MORE audio app, which is an earphone companion app to help set up your earphones to your preferred setting. Now we do also receive a Type-C charge cable and plenty of spare ear tips, yes. But looking back at the earphones themselves, which I really can't believe how tiny they are, they do weigh around 3.7 grams. But even though they are super light, they do fit very comfortable within my ears. I mean, look at them, they're not going anywhere. And they do also boast touch controls too. So we do initially get minimized touch controls like play pause, voice assist and the built-in ANC modes. Now these touch controls can be tailored to your needs by going into that 1MORE app and setting those touch features to control your previous and next track selections, or in fact your volume controls. In regards to those ANC modes, we get strong ANC, which is for those very noisy atmospheres, blocking out up to 40 decibels, thanks to that quiet max technology. We do also get a mild mode too, which is for those light noise environments, and these earphones do include wind noise resistance, which basically blocks out, well, wind, yeah. Now, if you're looking for some super micro earphones, which are very easy to hide, these earphones might be for you, especially as they do include a pass-through mode too. So these earphones will be good to use in your work environment, without you being afraid of your manager being told that you're a risk to other people's health while using earphones within your workplace. No. With this pass-through mode, you'll be able to hear most people talking around you while blasting out some of your favourite tunes. So if you're working in a supermarket, yeah, they might be ideal for you. Now, as we do take another look back at that 1MORE app, we can take a sound ID test, which is basically a sound test to help you create your perfect tailored sound experience, which is rather like the Samsung's built-in personal settings, but a little bit better in my personal opinion. The reason why I say that is because we have indeed tested out the audio over 2 days now. I've got to be quite honest, when we first started to blast out some tunes, we did find that the bass and the volume was a little bit on the low side. After we tweaked that Sound ID technology to set it to our preferred setting, that bass was very much increased, and so was the high tones too. Now, without hiding anything from you guys, I've got to be truly honest. I wouldn't say that the audio was truly amazing within that basic normal mode, but one weird fact that we did find is that when we turned that ANC mode on, the bass did become rather much more thumping and very much more deep. We did in fact like the high tones, and the mid tones sounded a bit more upfront. So you should expect with that ANC mode on, around 2.5 hours using 100% volume. If you're not bothered about overall music quality and you want to listen to average music quality, then you will indeed get around 3 hours 20 minutes in that normal music mode. While on the go, you can boost the earphones up quite a few times. You will get around 19 to 20 hours music boost with that charge case. And in regards to Bluetooth transmission distance, you should expect around 15 meters before that Bluetooth transmission cuts off in open spaces, and 8 to 9 meters in closed doors, for example, your home. But when it does initially come to those microphones, by the way, even though we do get 2 of them on each of the earphones, that's 4 in total, you will however have to speak up rather loudly for the other person on the opposite end of the call to hear your voice well consistently. But as small as these earphones are, they do also boast IPX5 waterproof protection, so you will certainly be able to use these earphones when out running within the rain. And if you're having trouble sleeping at night, well, dive back into that One More app and you'll find that there's 30 soothing sounds to help you sleep and release some tension. Overall, I actually do quite like these earphones. Okay, they're not the best earphones I've used, but they certainly are the smallest we've tested out on our channel. For very compact earphones, they do boast a lot of features. There are a lot of adjustments to be had using that One More app. And the latency when playing games, quite perfect. We didn't have any issues whatsoever, just like the microphones when recording, and we didn't have any transmission disconnections. No. Now, for the audio, we are going to give a 8 out of 10. For comfort, we're going to give a 10 out of 10. They are super light. They never made our ears feel sweaty, not even once. For functionality, such as the touch controls, we're going to give it 8 out of 10. We would have preferred better initial touch control features. For their toned down design, okay, they're not extravagant looking or anything like that, but they are, however, very well built, and we are in fact going to give them a 9 out of 10 with our overall rating for these 1MORE ComfoBuds mini earphones sitting at 8 out of 10, which isn't a bad rating to be honest. But if you do want to check these earphones out today, I have left a handy little link in the video description down below. If you have liked what you've seen in this video, let's go ahead, take a look, and well, go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video, but most importantly, please support this channel by subscribing just now, as well as hitting that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Now, it's been great reviewing these earphones this week, and I hope to be doing some more tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. As usual, guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace! And well,